Replacing a wheel on one of SKB's 3i cases is easy. For this procedure, you will need a replacement wheel, replacement bolt if necessary, and a 5/32 Allen wrench. First, take the Allen wrench and insert it into the bolt and loosen the bolt. Remove the bolt from the hole on the case. Remove the old wheel from the hole on the case. Align your replacement wheel with the hole and, if necessary, replace with a new bolt and insert it into the wheel. Tighten the bolt with the Allen wrench. Test your new wheel by spinning it a couple of times.